Imagine creating a YouTube channel that grows on autopilot, without showing your face, without editing for hours, and without even writing a single script yourself. Sounds impossible? Well, in today's video, I'll show you exactly how you can automate everything using just a few AI tools. And trust me, once you watch this till the end, you'll realize you don't need experience or design skills to start your own profitable channel today. Most people waste days trying to figure out their niche. They think, what am I interested in? What am I experienced at? But here's the truth. Since AI is going to do all the hard work for us, we don't care about interest or experience. We only focus on profit. So I opened ChatGPT and asked, give me the most profitable high RPM faceless YouTube niches. And just look at this. Finance, tech, business, crypto, real estate, all high-paying niches with RPMs way higher than entertainment or vlogs. From these, I picked personal finance and investing because it has huge profit potential and millions of viewers searching for it daily. Pick a high RPM niche where demand exists, then let AI handle the content creation. You don't need to be an expert. You need a profitable niche and the right tools. Now, before creating the channel, we need a name. Again, I asked ChatGPT. Suggest YouTube channel names for a personal finance channel. It gave me multiple options, but my favorite was Finance Fair. Quick tip, before finalizing any name, search it on YouTube and filter by channels. If only a few small channels exist, congratulations, you can rank easily. So I created my channel, named it Finance Fair, and boom, the foundation was ready. Add a short description, channel category, and a clean profile image. Small details that boost trust. These steps only take minutes and they set you up to publish consistently. At this stage, you have a brand and a channel. Now we make it look professional without hiring anyone. Of course, every channel needs branding, but instead of hiring designers, guess what? AI does this too. It suggested things like a money tree, a globe with a coin overlay, and a shield with a dollar sign. I like the globe with a coin. Then I asked ChatGPT to generate a Leonardo AI logo prompt and pasted it into Leonardo. I instantly got professional quality logos. Out of the four, I loved the third one. It looked clean, modern, and professional. Downloaded it in one click. Done. No Photoshop, no designer fees. Branding done fast and affordably. Looks like a pro without the cost. Now, for channel description, again, ChatGPT. Just ask. Write me a short and engaging description for Finance Fair. It gave me a polished, professional description that tells viewers exactly what to expect. Next, I asked, give me YouTube video ideas for a personal finance channel. And wow, it suggested dozens of high-demand topics. From those, I picked 5 financial mistakes to avoid in your 20s. A perfect first video idea. With title ideas and descriptions ready, you can plan a content calendar in minutes. Here's where most beginners fail. They just tell ChatGPT, write me a script for 5 financial mistakes. But guess what? That script is going to sound robotic. So here's my secret formula for AI prompts. Length, tell it, 10 minutes, 90 seconds per point. Audience, 18-30-year-olds in the US who want to make smart money choices. Persona, young professionals who dream of financial freedom. Tone, inspirational and authoritative. Storytelling, use problem-solution format. Emotional triggers, add fear, urgency, excitement. Retention tactics, strong hook, smooth transitions, pattern interrupts. Call to action, redirect to another finance video. With these instructions, ChatGPT delivered a script so good, it doesn't even feel AI written. The intro hook itself grabs attention and each mistake flows smoothly into the next. Use clear examples and transitions and the audience will stay for the whole video. A professional-sounding script is the foundation. Everything else layers on top of that. Next is voiceover. Free TTS sounds robotic, but with 11 labs, your script turns into natural, human-like narration. I pasted my script, adjusted stability and similarity, and boom, professional voiceover ready. Pro tip, split your script if it's longer than 5,000 characters. With the free plan, you can make about 4 videos a month. If you get serious, upgrading is totally worth it for faster production. Now we need visuals. Again, no camera, no stock footage hunting. I asked ChatGPT, for each line of my script, give me an AI image prompt. Then I pasted those into Leonardo AI, set aspect ratio 16:9, and within minutes I had stunning visuals. With 2-3 free accounts, you can easily generate 30-40 images a day. Enough for multiple videos. I imported them into my video editor, synced with voiceover, added zoom and transitions, overlays, and background music. Suddenly, the video looked like a professional documentary, created 100% by AI. No camera, no crew, just smart prompts and editing. Next step, subtitles. Why? Because 70% of people watch YouTube on mute at some point. I used a subtitle generator tool. Just upload the video, click auto subtitles, and it creates them instantly. I styled them with a bold font centered on screen and added light leak backgrounds to make them pop. Finally, the thumbnail. If nobody clicks, nobody watches. I asked ChatGPT, give me 5 thumbnail ideas. One idea stood out, a cracked piggy bank with bold red text. I tweaked, add red text, dark and gloomy background. Eye-catching thumbnails that scream, click me. And there you have it, from name to thumbnail, all automated with AI. Like, comment, making AI videos is fun, and subscribe for more.